Namaste everyone. I hope you all are fine today and I am going to discuss in the topic of review of literature. Guys, please subscribe my channels and if you want to ask me about research related question, you can comment in below box. First of all, we discuss what is meant by literature's reviews. Literature review is a systematic identification, scrutinizing, and presentations of summary of written materials that contain information of the related problems. It helps to identify and systematic. It was present like continuous process of some summary or written materials, and it contains the informations about the problem. Like if we gonna do research about COVID, then we can search about the article, previous articles, COVID related articles. Then this is called and literature. The literature is a collection of the scholarly writing on a topic. This literature is the writings, previous writing, published or non-published, or newspaper, books, whatever we get. These all are these things. Research process. Understand an area of study, literature review. This is, first of all, we need to understand in which area we should study, and after that we need to do literature review. Now we are going to discuss in the topic of purposes of reviewing the literature. Why we doing literature review? Why we need to do literature review? Guys think that can we do research or study without literature review? No, it cannot possible. We need to do literature review. I mean, we need to read and we need to take advice from our senior supervisors. There are a lot of steps to do research. First is identifies what is already known about an area of studies. We need to identify what is known about that area of study. If we know some detail, we can write in our diary. It helps to further develop our research, helps to generate or focus on research problems. This and ascertains which is already known in relations to topic of interest. Avoid unintentional duplications of the information, which is useful in identifying assumption or truth about the certain aspects of the phenomenon being studied. It also helps in understanding the insight necessary for the development of a more conceptual context. It seems the functions of providing a perspective on the problem in terms of interpreting the results of the study. It has to be familiar with the research strategy and specific methods and procedures, measuring instrument and statistical analysis that could be used to study. Now we discuss the types of the review of literature. There are two types: published or unpublished. Unpublished, like books, journals, dissertation reports, are published type, and unpublished are papers, written seminar, agreement between government and personnel. These are our unpublished articles. Possible source of literature. What are the sources of literature and where we can find the literatures? The first possible source of literature is the primary sources, the article published by the persons who conducted the research study. This is the, suppose I published an article and that is called a primary literature, primary sources. Most of the articles published in the journal and the original reports and are considered as a primary source. It can be from individual, group, or organization, such as if we publish our research from like in Nepal, NHRC, it is one prestigious journal publishers. Then this is called primary sources. In secondary sources, the articles written upon the basis of finding of other investigation, not original. Example, review article. Usefulness of literature search clarifies reviews, research in problem statement and subtopics, verifies the significance of research problem. It helps to specify the objective, specifies its objective. It helps to identify the relevant studies, theories, either we need to do on the related topic or not. It helps to identify the limitation. It helps to select the research design, which research designs will we do, and it helps to identify appropriate research tool. It helps to direct method of data collections and analysis, helps in interpreting the findings. We can write the text of literature review in three ways. First of all, direct quotation, and second, paraphrasing, and third, summarizing. We can do other previous research articles and write in own way, and we can thank them through quotation. How do you write a literature review? There are number of steps in preparing review literature. At first, organize your literatures in a group of related statements according to which aspects of the problem they are related. Then decide in which order you want to discuss the various issues. Finally, write a coherent discussions of 1 or 2 pages in your honors using all relevant reference in your copy or in your diary, wherever you want to write. Or you can write or type in a computer directly. You can use consecutive uh, numbers in the text to refer to your reference, then list your references in that order using the format described before. Add this list as a reference. Alternatively, you can refers to the references more fully in the text, putting surname of the author, year of publications. If this system is used, the reference at the end of the proposal should be listed in alphabetic order of the author's surname. If you do this, you can write the review of literature. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. I hope you like my videos. Please, if you want to ask me about research related question, write the comment below. Thank you for watching.